Good day, beautiful people, and welcome back to another episode of Cookup Sundays. Today we will be making an alcoholic apple cider, kind of like a Hunter's Dry. We'll be doing it in our cooler box again. Why I have this in my hand, don't ask me why. What you'll need for your apple cider recipe is 2 kgs of sugar, 20 grams of yeast, and 20 bags of 5 Roses tea bags, as well as 16 apples. Okay, so for this part, what we'll be doing is chopping up our apples, which Candace will be doing, our beautiful Candace. Oh man, that was kind of scary.
Look how perfect!
And then what I'll be doing is basically bruising the apples a little bit, making sure that all the juice goes into the cooler box.
Like so.
Eaty juicy!
That would be cool in slow-mo. It's supposed to be in sync.
Because my name's Ken. This is our beautiful pineapple. This is our beautiful pineapple beer that we're busy enjoying now.
I'm gonna take 1 liter of the very hot water and add it to our sugar and tea bags to make sure that our sugar dissolves nicely in with our tea bags.
So let it sit until it cools down a little bit. Still stays warm so that when you chuck in your yeast, that you can actually dissolve your yeast as well. Once you've added your 20 liters of water, make sure that it's still warm because you need to add your yeast. But give it a few stirs first. Don't break your tea bags. Stir it like this, stir it like that. Once you're done stirring, make sure it's not too hot and add your yeast. Give that a stir. Make sure that all your yeast is dissolved. I'm using Brewers yeast and it's recommended for ginger beer and beer. Once you stirred up all your yeast and you made sure that your yeast is dissolved, all you need to do is just make sure you let this sit for 6 days and you can sip up and enjoy, like I'm enjoying my pineapple beer right now. Out is.